We will be using satin ribbon for this project, 21 inches long and 3 inches wide. This will let us create a 6 inches bow. For our first step, fold the ribbon, line the ends, and use our scissor to create a diagonal cut. Heat seal to avoid fraying. We will fold it again, this time to create a crease to mark the middle point. Since we are aiming for a 6 inches bow, let's mark that measurement on our ribbon. Grab your ruler. That's 6 inches. We will fold this and crisp to make visible line. You can also use tailor's chalk for marking. This will be our guide to create a balanced loops. If you need a helping hand to keep this shape, use a pin and insert it right here to keep everything locked in place. Now grab your needle and thread, and we will start sewing. So here's what it looks like. Pull the thread gently. Guide the ribbon with your fingertips as you form the curves of the bow. Wrap the thread around the bow to secure the shape. We will glue our centerpiece. We use a piece of fabric that is 1.5 inches wide here. We will fold. Cut the excess fabric. And glue. It's finished. This is our sailor bow. Easy, right? We will just attach the hair clip at the back and it's ready to wear. I hope you found this bow making tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or needed further help. You are very welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. Thank you.